today at the National Waterfront Museum in Swansea. We're working with the University of Wales Trinity St David, the School of Art and Design, and all the students there on an innovative project in relation to designing a brand new product to carry our drone and all the associated kit to make our officers' jobs a lot easier and to be at the forefront of drone technology.
This has been a fantastic opportunity for our students to design a real-life product for a real-life application with South Wales Police. It's given them the opportunity to develop concept models through to pre-production prototypes for testing with the police, and it also enables them to learn a little bit about how to deal with clients, how to respond to difficult situations like presenting to a client, and it also allows them then to develop their prototyping skills, design skills, and their visualization skills.
A great opportunity for Resource Group to interact with the university and South Wales Police. We've trained South Wales Police UAV, drone, RPAS pilots, and it's been great to see how the students have been able to take an idea, turn it into a concept and take it to the next level where it is practically ready to put into production.
It's also been a really good experience for the students to actually work with the police firsthand and get to understand their needs and the kinds of environments and the difficult tasks that they have to deal with. So they've had to respond to those needs, and it's also given them that kind of insight then into the job that they do and the demands that they're under on a day-to-day basis when they deploy the drones in difficult situations.